Stop recording video. Okay, you can start up the Tempstar.
Okay.
I put the phone here. I like that one. 0.06 seconds. Yeah, what thermostat are you using for these units? What thermostat is on these units?
A Nest thermostat.
Nest, wow, that's pretty cool. And the paint is a Tempstar, right? Tempstar?
I don't know. The sticker is
0 people.
worn off, so
R22.
I can't really tell.
Does it need to be upgraded soon yet?
Yeah,
Or
it
it's still
probably
working?
does. So the Tempstar used to be an identical paint, but we had to replace it last year.
14 sear. That one, yeah, this one. For the replacement, get a root achiever Endeavor line heat. 0 people. AY.
Okay.
Actually, you know what? Let me see. A Carrier 27 SPA6.
Okay. Why do you say that?
Because that's a 16 seer performance heat pump.
Okay. And how much do those cost? Do you know?
I don't know. I have to look it. But yeah, I like this one more.
Papa, you know you're still recording, right?
Yeah. 0 people. Has a jet.
Maybe now I could get the model number. Let me see. Now I could get it. Don't stop it over recording.
Pause it. Stop recording. New finger.
See right here.
2 minutes. Mute now. 1.0x. Button. Adjustable. Double tap to toggle zoom values. Swipe up or down with one finger to adjust the value.
And it's the MX, right? Or N, that's a Nancy.
And Nancy X. Yeah.
So N
0 people.
A 448 GA C as in Carlos 101. Oh,
14 CO2. Does it say CO2? 14 CO2. Stop recording video. Button.
I think that's the picture. You see that little white button on the phone?
Yeah.
Press it right here. This one. That white one, yeah.
Take
Take a picture.
picture.
So now he has a picture.
0 people.
Here you go. You got a picture in there too. Of the thing.
October 2021.
Whoa.
2021. It's pretty good.
4 ton.
It's a what?
It's a 4 ton.
4 ton?
2021. Pause it. Stop. Pause it. 4 ton. Tempstar. Is this this is a straight cool, right? Does it say listed section of straight cool unit? Cooling only? So what do you have for heating on these two? It's a gas furnace?
Are you putting that on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm gonna... Stop recording.
Shutdown, you got the starter for both.
Yeah.
You'll be good now.
You set it to 78 on these two? One face upside down. Okay, keep it at 78. Face up now. Stop recording me. Can we go inside the house now?
Put it at 78 and
Yep. That's the Energy Star recommended temperature, 78 degrees.
But
For the
what
downstairs.
if I'm old and I need it at 72?
Well, you consider running your ceiling fan if you have one. 78 for the downstairs, 76 for the upstairs.
Did you hear that?
What did he say?
I said, what if I'm old and I need it at 72? And he said, consider running your ceiling fan if you have one.
That Energy Star all works good till you get married, Audie. And then whatever she says.
Where's your house from here?
You heard that, Pops?
We're in the back
She,
door.
not him.
We
So your
have
frigid-
we have 4 steps going.
So your fridge is a Frigidaire side by side?
Not side by side.
Or bottom freezer?
Top and bottom. There's another step here going up.
It is a Frigidaire?
Maybe.
Hold on, where's your refrigerator?
We're in our what normally is our living room, but we changed it for the holidays because we have.
Where's your
We're gonna
refrigerator?
have a heart attack with this kitchen.
This is actually, you don't like this. This is a GE profile ice maker. It's like
a nugget
like
ice
Sonic
maker?
ice. So it makes I'll hold your cake. It makes Sonic ice. And Mark got me this for my birthday because I love Sonic ice.
Ooh, pretty nice.
Uh-huh.
Does it have a dispensing feature?
No, you have to open it and then the ice comes down and then
So,
and there's a scooper. This is my second one. We ran the first one so much that we got another one for my birthday this past year.
You already told you where you got this one.
No, he was not
And
the
Mark,
different
it normally had a thing here where you would just pour water in to make the ice, but Mark hooked it up to the water line in the back. Nope, behind you here. Straight, keep going, right here. Actually, we have two. It's LG. It's LG. And actually, we have 2 refrigerators. One is a wine refrigerator, and then one is our normal refrigerator.
oh yeah.
This one. This one, I don't know what brand it is.
That's the problem.
You don't know what brand it is?
Maybe here, let me open and see if I can see it on the inside. Oh, GE Monogram.
Ooh.
He'll troubleshoot it by sound.
So it's got a button for light on and off, and then how cold it gets.
Okay, so don't change those settings. Thank you.
It doesn't have automatic defrost, right?
I don't think so. Microwave fridge. There, that was the ice maker down in the bottom. So the ice maker's on the bottom, but then we have the water comes out
For him to
on the top.
that'd be good to teach him to actually use the since he doesn't have like a
Yeah.
get him to open it and things like that.
I keep trying to find things for him to use his hands.
Yeah, so he can open it, all that stuff.
He used to get
Like even would come to your house to work with him in
Yeah.
Massachusetts.
Oh yeah, massive was awesome.
here, no grill, no, like, he does nothing. The only class is orchestra, where he
We don't have a couch?
We do, but so let me describe it to you first. We're in the kitchen.
relax. Listen,
We're in
please.
the kitchen, and normally